Hello everyone. My name is Richard from Zappos.com, and today we're looking at Emerik from Mephisto. The first thing you're gonna notice about these guys here is that you have that really thick, soft air midsole. Very, very thick, very, very shock absorbing, but still incredibly lightweight. So these guys are not gonna tire your feet out. It's very flexible as well to keep your feet moving with that really sturdy design to the outsole down here. It's got a very snazzy, smooth leather upper that will deliver a handsome style with a smooth leather-lined interior to help out with breathability. And then of course you're gonna have this removable insole on the bottom as well for a little extra cushioning. So go ahead and add them to your cart today. They're from Mephisto.